Hey everybody, welcome to Bullard Farms. And in today's video, we're going to work on planting some potatoes. You'll get to see me preparing the field, which is what I'm getting ready to start doing. I'm going to disc the field, run rows, and plant potatoes, and then cover the potatoes up. And that'll probably be as far as I get in this video, just the planting process. Alright, well I got this field disced, and it turned out pretty good. I'm back at it here again, had a little bit of change in plans. I think I'm going to plant some potatoes on this side as well as some on this side. That dirt there looks pretty good. We also got some rain. I was planning on discing it again, maybe twice, and then running rows and planting, but we got some rain and it got too wet. It's drying off pretty good. We're supposed to have several days of no rain. It's too wet to disc today, I believe. I'm going to try to take this field cultivator and pull over where I'm going to plant the stuff at, and hopefully that'll help dry it out in the next couple of days. Then I can disc it again, run rows, plant potatoes, cover them up, and then they ought to be off to growing. I'm going to give you some footage of this thing running and hopefully drying out the field. Got this field cultivator ran on this side. I really don't know if it does anything to help for drying it or not. I feel like it does. It breaks that crust up, lets the wind get to it and dry it up, I guess, maybe. Let me know down in the comments if you think this helps any. Over here on this side, I'm going to run it now, so you get a little bit of footage of that. Alright, today is Wednesday, and I ran the little field cultivator out here on Monday, so it had all day yesterday to dry. I really don't know if it helped a lot or not. That spot there you're looking at now is something I didn't run the field cultivator on, and I did run the field cultivator on this. Maybe it helped. I mean, it broke the surface and let the wind get to it, and maybe some moisture wick up and stuff. So today I'm gonna run the big disc over it again with the 699, and then see about getting some rows ran with the tractor, and then maybe tomorrow dropping some potatoes in and covering them up. And then this over here is the other spot. It actually looks really good. I'm gonna run this over it too, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, I got this disc again, and I'm gonna start running some rows now. I've got to take these rolling cultivators off and put the bull tongue on. That's what I'm gonna work on now. That might be pretty good right there.
Okay.
I'm gonna call it close enough, I think. All right, I'm gonna try to run some rows today and maybe plant potatoes tomorrow. So I'm gonna set the camera up and run some rows. All right, we're working on cutting up potatoes for seed.
Now you can't mess with my taters.
We actually got some cut up yesterday and planted some yesterday evening. I didn't video any of that. We got about 1.5 rows planted. Got some cut up today, and we'll plant some more today. today is Friday, and I'm going to end the video today. Yesterday we got these 4 rows planted, and about 2 3/4 rows planted over here. We actually got about 1 1/4 row and a half, something like that, planted on Wednesday, and then we finished the 4 rows yesterday on Thursday. And the rows look pretty good. It's sprinkling a little bit of rain right now. I don't know if it's going to do anything or not. Thank you for watching. God bless y'all, and please subscribe if you're interested.